पंचमः पाठः जननी तुल्यवत्सला. We started this lesson yesterday and about the affection of mother. This lesson is taken from Vanaparva of Mahabharata, and in yesterday's class we learnt that there was one bull who was very weak, and farmer tried to make that bull to plough the field. Unable to carry the load, that bull fell down on the field. Seeing that, mother of all cows, Kamadhenu, started to cry from the heaven. Seeing the Kamadhenu crying, Lord Indra asked her that, "Oh Kamadhenu, why are you crying? What happened to you? What is the reason for your crying?" So now let us continue with the continuation part. Sacha vinipato navah kaschit drishyate tridashadipa aham tu putram shochami tena rodimi kaushika. विनिपातो नवः कश्चित् दृश्यते त्रिदशाधिप अहं तु पुत्रं शोचामि तेन रोदिमि कौशिका. So Kamadhenu replied to Lord Indra that, "Hey Tridashadipa, O Lord Indra, I can see one of my son falling on the field. He is unable to carry the load and he is very weak. Therefore, aham tu putram shochami. I am so worried about that son. And hey Kaushika, tena rodimi. O Indra, because of that reason I am crying. By seeing the difficulty of my son, I am crying." She said, "O Indra, my one of son fell on the field. He is unable to carry the load. O Indra, I am crying after seeing the difficulty of my son." As usual, how mother feels very hard to see the difficulties of their children. Here Kamadhenu feels very sad about the difficulties of her son. Some word meanings: vinipataha, fall down; kaschit, some; Kaushika, Tridashadipa, means Lord Indra; Putram, son; Sochami, feel sad; Rodimi, cry. Bo Vasava, Putrasya dainyam drishtva aham rodimi. Saha deenaha iti janannapi krishakaha tam bahudha pidayati. Saha krichrena bharam udvahati. Itarameva dhuram vodum saha na shaknoti. एतद् भवान् न पश्यति इति प्रत्यवोचत्. भद्रे नूनं सहस्राधिकेषु पुत्रेषु सत्स्वपि तव अस्मिन्नेव एतादृशं वात्सल्यं कथम् इति इन्द्रेण पृष्टासुरभिः प्रत्यवोचत्. Kamadhenu continues and tells that, "Bo Vasava, O Lord Indra, putrasya dainyam drishtva aham rodimi. I am crying because of the difficulties of my son." Putrasya dainyam means difficulties of my son. Seeing that I am crying, saha deenaha iti janannapi krishakaha tam bahudha pidayati. Krishakaha, farmer, know that he is very weak. Saha deenaha means weak. Even though he know that the bull is very weak, tam bahudha pidayati, he troubles him lot to plough the field. Saha krichrena bharam udvahati. Therefore my son, that bull, is carrying the load with great difficulties. Krichrena, with great difficulties. Bharam udvahati, carrying the load. Itarameva, like others, dhuram vodum saha na shaknoti. He is unable to carry the load. Dhuram vodum means to carry the load. He is unable to carry the load like others. एतद् भवान् न पश्यति. iti pratyavachana. Can't you see that being king of gods? Can't you see all these things? That is what I am crying. Badre नूनं सहस्राधिकेषु पुत्रेषु सस्वपि तव अस्मिन्नेव एतादृशं वात्सल्यं कथं. That time Indra is asked that, O Kamadhenu, Nunam Sahasradikeshu. Definitely you have thousands of sons. Even though you have thousands of sons, Asminneva etadrisham vasalyam katham. Why are you showing such great affection only on this bull? What is the reason to show special affection on this bull? Iti Indrena Prishta Surabhihi Pratyavochat. When Indra asked like this, Kamadhenu replied. So like this Indra asked his doubt that why Kamadhenu showing special affection over this bull. O Indra, seeing the difficulties of my son, I am crying. Even though farmer know that the bull is very weak, troubles lot. My son carries weight with great difficulty. He is not capable of bearing the weight like others. Can't you see that? O Kamadhenu, you have thousands of sons in this world, but why are you showing special care only on this bull? Some word meanings. Vasava Indra, Putrasya of son, Dainyam weak, Jananapi knowingly, Bahuda lot, Dinaha weak, Krichrena with difficulty, Dhuram load, Pudum to carry, Sahasradikeshu more than 1,000, Vasalyam affection. So children, let us learn the continuation of this part tomorrow. Please read and learn the meanings thoroughly of this part. Thank you, children.